I draw. Since I was a child, pencil was my best tool. I talk. I rely on other people. Ever since I remember myself, I was not good at doing what I'm expected to do. So my thing was to not do what you're expected to do, but I found other ways of doing things. You don't do something new to complain about the past. We have amazing heritage. What is more important, function or aesthetics? They don't work against each other. One of my last pieces in London was a piece for St. Pancras. And St. Pancras is a great example of heritage. So when you do something there that is new, it doesn't ignore the heritage. And I don't think when it was built it was ordinary. I think it was so off-ordinary, and then it became ordinary. Culture is surplus to requirement. When everything else is dealt with, then that's where culture begins. The off-ordinary gets its place.